Good
Afternoon. Okay, exercise 16.2. Any doubt to any student in exercise 16.2?
No, so
No doubts.
Okay. So I'm going to discuss with you today the examples of miscellaneous exercise of chapter probability. Exercise 16.3. Example of exercise 16.3. Here we will discuss few of the formulas which we have discussed in set theory. That is A union B and A intersection B. Those formulas we will discuss here. Probability, to find out the probability. So today's topic is axiomatic approach to probabilities. Axiomatic approach to probability. This is the today's topic. So on the basis of, I'm going to discuss with you the first example. That is example 9. He's saying, let the sample space S. No, this is the sample space and these are the events W1, 2 up to Wn. These are the events of this experiment up to W6, not N, this is 6. So maximum 6 events are there. Which of the following assignments of probability of each outcome is valid? अब आपको ये बताना है कि इसमें से कौन वैलिड है. ये मेरी आउटकम्स है. इवेंट्स मेरे पास 6 हैं, तो ये W1 है, लेट इट बी 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, this is event A. Let it be 1 by 6, 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 1 by 6. This is event B. This is 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, event C. This is 1 by 8, 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 3. No, this is D event 1 by 12, 1 by 12, 1 by 6, again 1 by 6, again 1 by 6, then 3 by 2. No, E event. This is 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, this is the sample space. Outcomes are given in the form of W1, W2, W3, W4, W5, W6, and A, B, C, D, E are the events. My question is, which of these events are valid? कौन से events valid नहीं हैं और कौन से events valid हैं? With reasons we have to discuss. The first one is A. So if I will go with A, I will see the probability of the first event is less than 1. Yes, because probability always vary from 0 to 1. It cannot be less than 0. It cannot be more than 1. This is the condition of the probability, right? Because when the probability is 1, this is called sure event. ये तो event होगा ही होगा. For example, if there is a single person who is running a race, the probability to come first is 100%. तो बंदा ये एक है तो फर्स्ट तो आएगा ही आएगा, ठीक है. तो this is 0 means impossible event. Impossible means suppose a person who is running a race, there is a single person, then who comes second? No one. This is impossible. उसकी probability क्या होगी? 0. तो probability 0 और 1 के बीच में ही रहती है, या 1 भी हो सकती है, 0 भी हो सकती है, लेकिन उससे कम या 1 से ज्यादा है. तो अब देखिए 1/6 probability is less than 1, probability is less than 1, less than 1, less than 1, less than 1, less than. Now I am going to make the sum of all these. 1/6 plus 1/6 6 times, so next sum is 1. So sum is not exceeding 1, and probability of the individual event is less than 1. That means between 0 to 1. So this is a valid event. Why valid event? Sum of probabilities is 1, and individual probability varies between 0 to 1. P part. See, probability of first event is 1. Yes, it is possible. 1 can be the probability, 0 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 can be the probability. And sum of all the probabilities, this is 1. So sum of the probability is 1. And individual probability is either 0 or 1. This is a valid. See, the probability of this event is 1/8, which is less than 1, true. This is also true. This is also true. This is a oof. Probability can never be negative. Probability can never be negative. So C is not valid. Why it is not valid? Probability of W5 is negative. Negative probability will not be possible. Probability of W6 is negative. Negative probability is not possible. So it is not valid. B. 1/12 fine, 1/12 fine, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6. Oh, this is 3 part. So probability of W6 is greater than 1. Not possible. It is not valid. So this is 0.1. Probability is less than 1, 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 less than 1. So it is true that probability of all the events are less than 1. Probability of all events are less than 1. But अब sum देखिए, sum of probabilities. So sum is 5 plus 6, 11. Oh, the sum is more than sum of the probability of all the events. This is more than 1. Sum of probability of individual events greater than 1. So not valid. This is not, because sum of probabilities should not exceed 1. And it should not be less than 1. So this is not valid. I hope this question is clear to the students who are here.
Yes, sir.
Karman, no, Swarit,
Yes, sir. Clear.
clear. With
Yes, sir,
reason,
clear.
great. With
Yes,
reasons,
sir, clear.
perfect. With reasons, the, the things must be clear to you. Number one, probability can never be negative. Number two, probability can never be less than zero. Number three, probability cannot be more than one. Number four, sum of probabilities will always be between 0 to 1. बट द इवेंट शुड बी सेम. ऐसा नहीं है सपोज एक हमारा ये एक्सपेरिमेंट हो गया, एक कोई और एक्सपेरिमेंट हो गया, तो इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी अलग है, इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी अलग है, हम दोनों को सम नहीं कर सकते. बट एक इवेंट के अंदर जितनी भी प्रोबेबिलिटीज होंगी उसका सम कभी भी 1 से बड़ा नहीं हो सकता. क्लियर? सो इस बात का ध्यान रखना है. बट यू आर नॉट सपोज टू ऐड टू डिफरेंट सैंपल स्पेसेस. द सैंपल स्पेस शुड बी सेम and that sample space must carry all the events. Sum of all the events of a particular sample space can never exceed 1. This is the condition. So please note it down, then we'll move to the next example. Let me know when you move on. The facts which I am speaking also, so you must note it down, because when you revise the things, it will help you. Can I clear it? Boys, if you have noted, can I clear it?
Yes, sir. Only some part left.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, no issue, no issue. You can note it down and please apprise me. ऐसा ना हो ना कि मैं ऐसे ही बैठा रहा, आराम से नोट करिए. No issue. मैं यहाँ लिख भी देता हूँ. Sum of probabilities of probability of events of the same sample space must be is equal, must not exceed 1. जो अलग अलग सैंपल स्पेसेस के अंदर डिफरेंट इशू है वो हो सकता है, लेकिन सेम का नहीं हो सकता.
Noted, sir.
Great. Now, example 10. Now see, he's saying total cards with me are 52. And probability of outcome is equal likely. इसका मतलब क्या है कि जो आपके पास ताश है उसमें से कोई भी किसी भी ताश का जो कार्ड है वो बुरा नहीं है, डिफरेंट कलर का नहीं है, कि बाइस्ड नहीं है, कि हर कार्ड के आने के चांसेस जो है वो सेम है. We think if each outcome is equally likely, calculate the probability that the card will be a diamond. Number one. Number B, not an ace. Number three, a black card. Number D, not a diamond. not a black card. अब देखिए यहाँ पे आइए, अब 50 मैं थोड़ा सा रिवाइज करवा देता हूँ आपको। ये टोटल कार्ड्स हैं मेरे पास, इसमें से 4 मेरे पास फेस कार्ड्स हैं, 3 मेरे पास फेस कार्ड्स हैं, जिसमें से के क्यू जे, क्लियर, और 10 जो है वो विदाउट फेस कार्ड। मैं ये कलर ले लेता हूँ रेड। जो मेरा सेकंड रेड कलर है, द सिचुएशन इज सेम फॉर दैट आल्सो। मेरा ब्लैक कलर है, द सिचुएशन इज सेम फॉर दैट आल्सो। ये मेरा नेक्स्ट ब्लैक कलर है, उसके लिए भी सिचुएशन सेम है। सो टोटल मेरे पास रेड कलर कितना हो गया, टोटल रेड 26, 13, 10 प्लस 3, यहाँ पे क्या होगा 10 प्लस 3, 13 ये और 13 ये, टोटल 26। अब टोटल ब्लैक कितना हो गया, वो भी 26, 26 प्लस 26 टोटल 50। ना जो मेरा रेड कलर है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एस एंड डायमंड। जो मेरा ब्लैक कलर है, दिस इज कॉल्ड स्पीड एंड क्लब। अब सबसे पहले मेरे पास टोटल कार्ड्स 52 हैं। He is saying find the probability to get diamond. Probability to get diamond from a pack of 52 cards. अब देखिए डायमंड आपको आना है, तो डायमंड के कितने कार्ड्स हैं टोटल 13, बिकॉज 13 एस के हैं, 13 डायमंड के हैं, 13 स्पीड के हैं, 13 क्लब के। तो मेरी फेवर के अंदर कितने इवेंट हुए, बिकॉज द फॉर्मूला इज फेवरेबल इवेंट अपॉन टोटल इवेंट्स। When favorable events, my favorable events are 13 and the total events are 52. So probability to get the diamond is 1 by 4. My second question is not an ace. So what I will find out the probability of an ace and I will subtract it from 1. So probability to get ace, यक्का आने की क्या संभावना है? तो my favorable event ओवर टोटल इवेंट्स। तो बेटा देखिए एस कितने होंगे, 2 रेड कलर के एस होंगे, 2 ब्लैक कलर के एस होंगे, तो टोटल मेरे पास युक्ति कितने होते हैं ताश में 4। अब टोटल इवेंट्स कितने होंगे मेरे पास 52। सो दिस इज 1 by 13, दिस इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी। आई होप दिस इज क्लियर विद यू करमन पाल। Karman, are you there? No, he's not responding. No, Preet, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Great. Next is a black card. See, there are 2 things. One is speed and second is club. So that means 13 plus 13, 26 are the black cards. So probability to get a black card. Again, favorable event over total events. My favorable events are 13. My total events are 26, because black cards are 26 and total events are 52. This is how. Next is probability to get not a diamond. So we will find out probability to get a diamond. sorry. Here I want to find out probability to get a ace is 1 by 13. So I want to find out probability to get not an ace, which implies probability to get not ace. This is 1 minus probability to get a ace. So this is 12 by 13 is the answer. Now fourth part mein, I want a probability to get not a diamond. So we will find out first probability to get a diamond. That we have already calculated. Probability to get a diamond, this is 1 by 4. Which implies probability to get not a diamond. This is 1 minus probability to get a diamond. This is 3 by 4. No, fifth part. Not a black card. So first we will find out probability to get a black card. Probability to get a black card, favorable event upon total event. The events which are in our favor, black cards, how many? 26. Total events 52. 1 by 2. So therefore, probability to get not a black card. One minus half, which is again equal to half. So any doubt to any students who are present here, you are always welcome here. Note down, then we'll move to the next question. As soon as you will note down, please let me know. Yes, students, let me know. Let me note it down. Yes, Noorpreet.
Noted, sir.
Noted. Rest of the two students.
Noted, sir.
Okay. Come to the next
Done, sir.
question. Done. Question number 11. Example 11. Because if you will do the examples thoroughly, the exercise will be easy for you. A bag contains 9 discs. A total discs in bag. Four are red, 3 are blue, 2 are yellow. The discs are similar in shape and size. The size is drawn at random from the bag. Calculate the probability that it will be red. Now see, number 1, probability to get red disc. This is favorable event over total events. In my favor, 4 balls are red and total are 9. So 4 by 9 is the answer. Second, probability to get yellow disc. Again, favorable event over total event. So yellow discs are 2. So this is 2 by 9 is the answer. Probability to get blue discs. 3 by 9, this is 1 by 3 is the answer. Fourth, probability to get not a blue. This is
5 by 9.
1 minus probability to get blue disc.
The 5 by 9.
This is 1 minus 1 by 3, which is 2 by 3. Because see, probability to get a blue disc, this is 1 by 3. So probability to get not a blue disc, 1 में से minus कर दो. So 1 minus 1 by 3, this is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is the probability to get not a blue disc. Either red or yellow. Probability to get either red disc or yellow disc. Probability to get a red disc or yellow disc. So probability of red or yellow. So there is, what is this? This is probability of red plus probability of yellow minus probability of red intersection yellow. So probability of red we have already calculated, 4 by 9. Probability of yellow we have already calculated, 2 by 9 minus. There is nothing common because red or yellow ball के अंदर कोई common नहीं है. Red is a different color, yellow is a different color. So this is 0. 9 is LCM, 4 plus 2, which is 6 by 9.
2 by 3.
which implies it is 2 by 2. Note it down, please. This is very important. Especially this case. In book, it is missing. In your NCERT book, it is missing. So probability of red intersection yellow, this is 0. Why it is 0? Because there is nothing common between these two balls. So that is, their probability will be 0. So you have to solve first 4 questions of exercise 16.3. First 4 questions of exercise 16.3 of NCERT. 4 questions of exercise 16.3 of NCERT. Note कर लो. So see you tomorrow. Do first 4 questions, fine. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you.